Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on fortune.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fortune.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Fortune website. If you're logged into your account already, you can simply click on the My Account option and then click on Log Out, and you will be logged out from your account. You will need to log out from your account in order to change your password because there is no direct option to do it besides the reset option. So just click on the Sign In button once again and then type in your email address and click on the Next button. Now, once you are asked to enter your password, you will see the Forgot Password button at the bottom right corner of the login page. Just go ahead and click on it and you will once again need to type in your account email address. Just type it in and click on Reset Password, and now you will be told that a message with further instructions have been sent to your email address. Just click on the Close button and now just check your inbox. You will find an email from Fortune which contains a link to reset your password. Just click on the link given within your email and now you will be allowed to enter your new password. Just go ahead and type in your desired new password and click on the Save button, and now your password has successfully been changed. Click on the Login Now button and now you can proceed with typing in your email address and using your new password to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on fortune.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.